Assalamu alaikum. This geometry for class 8, Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. We have to prove. See, there is a given a figure, or this figure may given, or we may construct this figure also. But first see the question. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQ is height, QR base, and PR hypotenuse. We have to prove that PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. See particular enunciation. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQ is height, QR is base, and PR is hypotenuse. It is required to prove that QR square plus PQ square equal to PR square. Construction. Let first PQ equal to C, QR equal to A, and PR equal to B. Now see first construction. Let extend QR up to S so that RS equal to C, RS equal to PQ, and let draw a perpendicular ST on QS so that ST equal to A, ST equal to A or ST equal to QR. So PQ is a perpendicular and ST also perpendicular. So PQ parallel ST. Now let's join PT, PR and RT. Let's join. Now see the construction in statement is given here. You read this statement. Statement is given. You have to read this statement. Now prove. What we have to prove? Between triangle PQR and triangle RST. See, PQR this is, and RST. Between these two triangles we have to prove. See, as per construction we see between these two triangles PQ equal to RS, QR equal to ST, and this is right angle. PQR 90 degree and RST also 90 degree. So both the triangle congruent. If both the triangle congruent, we get PR equal to RT. If PR equal to B, then RT equal to also B. And this angle equal to this angle QPR. Angle QPR equal to angle SRT. These two angles equal. Now see, statements are given here between two triangles. Statements are given. Both the triangle are congruent. So PR equal to this angle equal to this. Now you have to see the figure. This angle equal to, we are getting this angle. We know that this angle plus this angle, sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. If this angle 90 degree, therefore sum of these two angle 90 degree. Sum of these two angle 90 degree. As this angle equal to this angle. So this plus this equal to 90 degree, this equal to this angle. So this angle plus this angle, these two angle equal to 90 degree. If these two angle equal to 90 degree, we know sum of these three angle 180 degree and these two angle 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree, 180 minus 90. So this angle equal to 90 degree, because this plus this equal to 90 degree, this plus this, these three equal to 180 degree. If we subtract this plus this 90, subtract, then we are getting this 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, so we can say PRT triangle, this triangle also a right angle triangle. Now we are getting here three triangle. One is PQR, this is right angle triangle. Another one is RST, this is also right angle triangle. And another triangle is PRT, this also right angle triangle. Now we are getting here three right angle triangle. And another thing you see, PQ parallel ST, PQ parallel ST, SQ, QS and PT are not parallel. In this case, we can say that this figure is a trapezium. This figure is a trapezium. So in this figure, now we are getting 1, 2, 3 right angle triangle, and the figure is also called a trapezium. We will discuss this later. Now see this. Whatever I said that I wanted to prove that PRT is a right angle triangle. I want to prove that this and this is also prove that this angle equal to 90 degree. Now see the statement, how we prove this. See, in PQR, three angle, sum of three angle 90 degree and one angle, thus Q angle is 90 degrees, and therefore other two angles equal to 90 degree. And two angle, so 90 degree and this three angle 90 degree. See, whatever I discuss in the figure, this is written here. You see the statement and try to understand. Now we are going to prove that. See, in trapezium we know the theory is area of a trapezium equal to half into distance of two parallel lines. ST parallel PQ and distance is QS. Distance of two parallel lines QS, here is A plus C. QS equal to A plus C. Half into distance of two parallel lines and sum of two parallel lines. Sum of two parallel lines, one is ST A, another one QP C. Then half into distance of two parallel line, distance of two parallel line A plus C, and sum of two parallel line, one is A, another one is C. Sum of two parallel line, that's also A plus C. So see this now. Half into distance of two parallel lines multiply sum of two parallel lines. So then half into distance of two parallel line A plus C, sum of two parallel line, one line is A, another line is C, A plus C. It means A plus C whole square equal half A square plus twice AC plus C square. And area of three right angle triangle, half into base multiply height. We know area of triangle half into base multiply height. So one triangle half into base multiply height, another triangle half into base multiply height, another triangle, this base also B, height also B. base also B, height also B. So it will be half into B multiply B square. Half into B square. So now half into AC, we can take half common. If we take half common, there we are getting AC plus B square. Now AC equal to twice AC. AC equal to half into twice AC plus B square. Half into twice AC plus B square. So area of trapezium C. Area of trapezium we got here half into A square plus twice AC plus C square. This is area of trapezium half into A square. And area of three triangles twice AC plus AC equal to twice AC. Half into twice AC plus B square. Now this half and this half we can cut. Now we are getting A square plus twice AC plus C square equal to twice AC plus B square. If twice AC and twice AC, this plus twice AC cut, now we are getting A square plus C square equal to B square. A equal to QR square, C equal to PQ square, and B equal to PR square. This base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square. We are getting. This is the proof. Thank you.